The emerald cut diamond is a striking and elegant shape known for its long, rectangular facets and distinctive step cut style. Unlike brilliant cuts that focus on intense sparkle, the emerald cut is designed to showcase a diamond's clarity and color. Its large open table and wide facets create a hall of mirrors effect, reflecting light in a subtle, sophisticated way. What sets the emerald cut apart is its unique step cut design, which gives the diamond a refined, vintage feel. The cut emphasizes the stone's clarity, allowing for a clean and crisp look, making it ideal for diamonds with high clarity grades. Its large, flat facets also allow for better visibility of the diamond's internal characteristics, giving it a distinctive geometric elegance. The emerald cut is often favored for its timeless and understated beauty, making it a popular choice for engagement rings and high end jewelry. Its sleek, modern appeal combined with vintage charm makes it perfect for those who appreciate a sophisticated, timeless diamond that stands out without being overly flashy. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.